Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Lisa with Next Up is Lisa. I thought I'd come in today and show you a quick Parmesan chicken meal that my family and I did. With the help of Aldi's and their thin cut chicken cutlets, I was able to do this very quickly after work one day. Here we have the chicken cutlets. I just seasoned them with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And I'm doing the 3-dip method of flour, egg wash, and Parmesan cheese with breadcrumbs mixed in. So first thing first, I'm going to take the chicken, I'm going to dip it in flour and then dip it into the egg wash. And I'm going to let the egg wash drip so that I don't have too much on the chicken. And then I'm going to place it into the breadcrumb and Parmesan mixture, and I'm going to press it in and make sure that the breadcrumbs and the Parmesan cheese adhere to the chicken. And then once that's done, I'm going to set it aside and do the rest of the chicken cutlets. Once all the chicken cutlets are breaded, I'm going to take them over to the stove and fry them in the pan. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I hope that you will consider subscribing and returning for new videos. You can hit that bell at the top of the video so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. If you are a return subscriber, thank you for returning to my channel. You know how much I enjoy the time that we spend together. These cutlets didn't take a lot of time to fry, but I did fry them until they were very brown and crispy on each side. That's just the way I like my things fried. I do like them crispy and a little browner than most people. And that's what you'll see when we start turning the chicken cutlets in a few minutes. In this clip, you'll see Bree trying to flip the chicken cutlet. She was afraid that the chicken was going to fall apart, but we did a really good job of breading them, and they're not so thin that they fell apart. So once she realized that it wasn't going to fall apart, she was able to flip it without any issues. Now you can see just how brown and crispy the chicken cutlets are. Again, this is my preference. You can choose to cook yours to the brownness or the crispiness that you desire. Once all the cutlets were cooked, I took a little bit of time and played a little Tetris to fit all of the chicken into one pan. And once I was able to accomplish that, I had some warmed up marinara sauce that we had re-seasoned, and I was ready to put that on top of the chicken. I don't like my food very soggy, so I did only put a little bit of sauce on each chicken, but there was plenty left for folks to add to their meal as they ate their dinner later on. I then took the rest of the Parmesan cheese that we had freshly grated and added it to the top of each piece of chicken. And I tried to portion this out so that all of the chicken had some of the fresh Parmesan. I also decided to add some of the Parmesan out of the refrigerator. And I'm also adding some shredded mozzarella. This is going to be very cheesy and delicious. And once I finished adding all of the cheese, I just wanted so that you can see it what the pan looks like. I'm going to bake it in the oven at 375 for about 25 minutes. I'm finishing it off with a little bit of parsley just to make it a little prettier than it already is. And here is what the final product looks like. Again, folks could add more of the marinara sauce as they ate their meal. It was a delicious meal and definitely one that we'll make again. And that ends this video of a quick Parmesan chicken. I hope during this time that everyone is doing well and staying safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.